Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we create and beauty follows. And today I'll be doing a full face of Dollar Tree makeup. And I got everything for under $20. I got 15 items for the total of $16.50 or something like that. And I bought way more than I actually needed. So there will definitely be a second video testing out those products. I am very curious to see if I can pull this off being a brown skin black girl. I've been watching videos of people trying Dollar Tree makeup, but none of them were trying foundation and none of them look like me. So this is going to be a challenge today. So let's go ahead and get into it. First thing first, I cannot find a regular primer, so we're going to use this BB cream, and this is in the shade Dark 1. This is the darkest shade I could find, which is not surprising since it is the dollar store, but the brand name is Candy Moyo. I think I'm saying that right. And it looks like they only have 3 shades, with Dark 1 being the darkest. But as you can see, it's giving Casper the Friendly Ghost for me, but that's okay because I'm planning on using the foundation and powder to cover it up. Right now, I'm just trusting the process. Okay, so for the foundation, I decided to pick up 2 other different brands, one being the LA Color and one being Be Pure. And of course, the darkest shade I could only find was the tan in the LA Colors and golden bronze in Be Pure. This is me testing it out on my arm to see which one I was going to use. And I decided that the Be Pure would be the best choice. I just feel like the golden undertone would help tone down the white cast of the BB cream. I went online to check to see if they had any other shades for both brands, and I found out that LA Colors actually do. But for this particular foundation, it is not sold online and is only sold in selective stores. So maybe if you're lucky, your dollar store is better than mine. So I know I look still casting ready, but I think I got a way to fix that. So I think I'm going to take my LA Colors matte bronzer in Bronze Beauty, and I'm going to place this in areas that I usually contour and then wherever I see fit, just to add color back into my face. The areas that I usually highlight, I'm going to leave that alone since my foundation is lighter than usual. In this case, my foundation is my highlighter on my concealer. Okay, and now for the blush, I'm going to take LA Colors right here in Berry Plum. And I was very impressed with this blush. It wasn't patchy or anything like that. It went on smoothly. And I applied it from my cheekbone onto my temple. I'll take it all the way up. Okay. It's coming along, I think. Okay, like I said, we didn't have any primer from the Dollar Tree store. So I'm going to take that same BB cream and I'm going to put it on my lid. I don't know if it's going to work or not, or it's going to work against me. We're just going to try it. I think I'll be shopping at Dollar Tree more often. I found this. Almay is a familiar brand that is usually found in CVS or Walgreens and sometimes Walmart. And I found it in the little bins in Dollar Tree that they usually have at the bottom of the shelves. And it just made me wonder what other type of goodies I can find at the dollar store in that section. But I also pick up this LA Color eyeshadow palette to work with today, and it is called Desert Rose. And I'm going to start with this middle shadow to place it all over my crease. And I'm going to take this rusty shimmery color and tap that on my lid. And then I'm going to take this rose gold color and place it on my inner corners, just to open the eyes up a little. For eyeliner, we're going to do Le Mercier, I think that's how you pronounce it, in Midnight Black. This is how it looks. And I didn't want anything too dramatic, so I'm going to go ahead and do a little small wing. Then for the mascara, it's the same brand. And we're going to do that in black as well. I couldn't find any other colors. I wish I did. But you know the colored mascaras are in again, so. It even has lashes there. And I was pleasantly surprised, and it had different styles, which I thought was really cool as well. But before I put on my lashes, I wanted to go ahead and line my waterline with this LA Colors pencil in the color Blue Shimmer. And in my opinion, this was hard to apply on my eyelids. There was too much tugging and fighting to get any color on, and it really stressed me out, and it was a waste of time. So I'm moving on to my lips, and I'm going to line it with my favorite NYX pencil in the color Hot Cocoa. And no, I didn't get this from the dollar store, but NYX pencils usually run at the same price. And of course, Dollar Tree have lip pencils, but I just forgot to pick one up. Now, this lipstick is from Dollar Tree, and I have no clue what the name of it, what brand it is, or anything like that, because I took it out the package not thinking anything about it. But I'm pretty sure the brand name is either Be Sure or LA Colors. And the color is a very bright salmon pink. Okay, this is the finished product. What do you think? I'm going to tell you right now, I am not happy. On camera, it looks different from what I see in person. And I just feel like if they had my shade of foundation, it would have been a home run. I don't know. What do y'all think? Because in person, it look a little casket ready. It still look ready. So I decided to use my Maybelline Super Stay in the shade 340. And I use it to warm up my complexion, and that worked a lot better. This is me applying the blush. You know what? This isn't bad for $1 makeup, and I think I might make this into a challenge to see if I can do this all the time with low-cost brands. Then finally, I'm applying the LA Colors Dramati lashes, and this style is called Delightful. These lashes seem to have a very thin band, which I actually like, but you have to be very careful when applying so that it won't turn on itself. All in all, the whole look was not a slam dunk, but I would definitely be using a lot of these products on a daily basis. I would definitely try this challenge again with other low-cost brands as well. And if you would like more of this type of content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.